Hello. Welcome to the Health and Fitness TV. This is your host, Sunny. In this video, we will discuss how to detox your body to lose weight using a lemonade diet. So, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. The lemonade cleansing diet has been around for many years, is called by many different names and has helped thousands of people lose weight and get rid of many of the toxins in their body. This cleanse is a simple mixture of lemon juice, maple syrup, cayenne pepper and water. Going on this diet plan for the full 10-day duration will take a high level of discipline and commitment. The diet is called by many different names such as the maple syrup diet, the cayenne pepper diet and of course the lemonade diet. It's also called the Master Cleanse. You can lose up to 20 pounds of weight during the 10-day cleanse. A lot of the weight loss will be in the form of water weight, though you will lose excess body fat too. Some of the water weight may be gained back after you go off the cleanse, but it's a great way to jumpstart your weight loss and dieting plan. You will also detoxify your body, which is enormously important to your overall health and welfare. We may not realize it, but we ingest a lot of different chemicals throughout our lives. Many of these chemicals are fine by themselves or in small doses, but when they are combined with other chemicals or they accumulate, serious medical issues can arise. Cleansing is a great way to get rid of that buildup of toxins. Most healthy people can cleanse up to once a month, with their doctors being okay with that. Of course, you should always talk to your doctor and make sure that it's okay for you to do this or any other diet and cleanse. I'm not a doctor and can't give out medical advice, so make sure to talk to someone who can. This is really important if you have underlying medical problems. To increase your likelihood of succeeding when you do the diet and cleanse, take some time to prepare yourself prior to starting. Your preparations can be as simple as just eating a little bit less right before the cleanse and getting your head around the idea of going on a strictly liquid diet for 10 days. If you've ever had a colonoscopy and you've had to have a strictly liquid diet for the whole day before the procedure, you know how hard it can be to do this. We're simply not used to only ingesting liquids, and that is why so many people will fail when they try. By getting your head in the game prior to starting, you will greatly increase your chances of making it through the whole cleanse successfully. If you're serious about leading a healthier life and you've decided that the first step is to start losing weight and detoxifying your body, then the lemonade cleansing diet might be just the ticket for you. Just make sure to ask your doctor if you can do it and then commit yourself fully for the best shot at success. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please share it with your friends and family. If you have a topic that you would like us to cover on this channel, put it down in the comment section below. For more videos on health and fitness tips, please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you are the first one to get notified when we post a new video. Thanks a lot for your love and support. See you all in the next video.